to subscribe. It's free. You subscribe yet?
Junior! Junior! Hey! Boy, yo, get up. You not go to school? Eh? Man, I'm dropping phone. Hey boy, I'm not buy no phone for you now. Take up your phone. And stop going like you lose it.
I'm phone, daddy.
Yo, you mean to tell me say you close the press it? Eh? You mean to tell me say you close the press it? Bro, go press the close them, bro. Go and press the close them. Look on the Jesus
Daddy,
Christ.
Daddy, but I'm going to press the close and current gone.
What do you mean the current gone? You check if current gone?
Yeah, you must have current gone from last night.
Go on, I have to show you what you have to do. Go on, man. Come on, boy. Come here.
Oh, yeah,
teach you one thing. See? This is when current there, and this is when no current not there. Or you tell me press my things then certain time. When outage are going. What you going to do now is light the fire.
So daddy, that now go burn me up.
Go for one turn in a room fast. Fast, go for turn in a room fast and come back and tap it nice. Hurry up, me wait for you. Me stay in a room. Boy, I gonna bathroom. Sometimes morning if this damn boy have sense, you know. Because you can't iron pan your iron board on this one. I'm gonna put this here, so. See? So yeah, press. This one now you light it, so. And you take time gauge it. Put it! You must be bright, big boy like you. Eh? So you tell me say you can't press? Alright, hear me I say. One at a time. This is first. Stretch you out so. You'll learn today if I solve the case. And you take your time and you roll this up. You understand? And you push it back over here so. You make it hot again.
So daddy, like yeah, so like time.
You take your time and run it so. You see people that call me? You take your time and run it so. Don't bother me also now. What I'm answering somebody. Mr. Shut your mouth, man. And do you have to do.
Daddy.
Yo, move first. Go and get ready fast. Go on, beat. Alright, boss. So, miss, yeah, man, me a forward, man. Yeah, man, no problem. Just call me and confirm, man. No problem, man. Boy, turn on the shower fast and beat, man. Boy, I never know, so where is that idiot? I don't know what this blinking boy, I know. No, use.
Daddy. Wait, it is the man I use the bathroom.
It is, sir. In a fridge, man. When a fridge feed. You see? I saw box in your head. You sense, man?
Oh, Daddy, but 2 more while me know you hide this something that
I was sitting. This in the fridge. Eh? This is a bathroom thing, brother. Go on with some, man. Go on with some.
Wait.
Look on that counter. On that counter is the boss. Your lifestyle and my lifestyle are 2 different lifestyles. Or if I'm going to bathe, do you the fast and go bathe, that me I said. And stop a waste time, you out. You're not even sure they are pressed for your clothes. In the first place. So, burn up for purpose and make you wear go to school. I'm not in a shower.
Mommy, I use the bathroom.
Use the bathroom? I'm going to press 100 then. Shall I do it from last time? I see a problem with that. I'm picking my laugh off here. I teach you, listen to you, understand why you need to get up early and get your clothes done. Who I'm like, I can't press it, I can feel that. Take me feel that. Yeah, man. Boy, you done beat already? Boy. You beat?
Beat, Daddy.
You beat?
Yeah.
Before me done press this, you say is a bathroom tile it. And then you know, by the time you done press this, you beat.
Check my rug.
Check your rag. You can't wait till, yo, anyway. A few business there. Get ready fast so me can carry gas school, sir. Alright? Good.
This is not like a daddy pretty. Like a spite, Daddy, a spite me, you know. But I the rasta man I'm more than. Got you later.
Tell me something now. When you're just like this, how you feel like then go approach you?
Oh.
Let me say how. Alright, go have a good day. Later.
But my zip spoiled, Daddy, so I have to put out the shirt.
You live spoil.
Yeah. So I reach a school gate, I go put it in the shirt.
Later, Jonah. Later. Have a good day at school, sir.
Your lunch money.
The on the dresser.
Me did have...
It's there on the dresser. That's it. You know why you're not more.
Alright, Daddy.
Yeah, man. Later. And I'm about to stop on the road now, you go straight to school. Because your time late.
No say so, man.
I'm going to go, no say so, man, who you talk to? My fling to them bus head boy, but no say so, man, who you talk to? Your father you talk to, you think you're brushing him on the road? You have to know the difference, you know. You hear me say?
Alright, daddy.
Who no say so, man? Who talk about this?
Evening, daddy.
I'm here hour. Eh?
No, daddy.
Me and your things? So your face looks so.
When I come up a while ago, I buck my toe up on
So who make a bucket to? Me?
I know you.
So why you have to take out your anger upon somebody when responsible for that? That makes sense? Eh? Yeah, come up and kick up your shoes like say you buy. You buy? Eh? You plan to buy next shoes? Talk to me now.
No, daddy.
So what you plan to do then?
I just take off your shoes.
You just have to take off your shoes and kick your shoes and peel it.
So I have to kick off
Yeah,
it.
peel off your shoes, man. If I don't make you with a big bed shoes, I go to school. I don't name what I name. Yeah?
My friend then look for me and laugh off me.
And that you want. So if you are do it and I'll take accountability for what you do, what do you think will happen after that? Eh? Tell me to talk to me. Look in my eyes, me I talk to you, boy.
Daddy, you're not cook.
Cook what? I neighbor will get some food, come give you later on.
Oh, sir.
No, Patsy.
You tell me that I have to eat from Patsy.
No,
You
man.
tell me that when Mr. Rain fall and Patsy cook come on my yard, I have to eat from people.
That
So
was
yeah,
then. No is now. Tables can turn. You understand? What you do last week and the same thing happened this week. You know, repeat yourself. That is life. You understand me? I say? There's a lot of things you need to understand and know. You seek up a job and you make man make a job style. I can't believe this. You don't seek up a job? Tell me say never see it.
No, I talk to you.
You talk to me, but alright, so you talk to me and 100,000 a drop and a blow and I win. You going still talk to me?
I would still talk to you, daddy, because I respect you.
Well, that makes sense. That makes sense. You understand? So, you actually make sense, really and truly.
Take off my clothes.
Eh?
Take off my clothes.
Yeah. Wow, sometimes I wonder more. I'm not sure. Look at me sitting around with the box side.
Can't bother daddy style more. Mommy. I work today. You know what I can't bother daddy style, you know. This morning, I wake up. I know say last night though, I go on my bed late. So I wake up this morning, I wake up late. So I'll tell him my fault. I not just talk with him do. This morning now I wake up. He might be a certain way with me. I'll shorten my lunch money and everything. That me a try to say. I mean, I like how you deal with me. Me, I know saying in not all want hear from you, you know, but me not think you might answer your call. Me not think you might answer you, mommy. Me not think you might answer you. Cause you want hear him talk about your body, you know. I talk about my mother work cliff, cause my mother send me down here to stay with him, and I'm alone if you do this and do that. You all tell me about Patsy, I go give me dinner. And him a tell me say me not fi eat from Patsy. And him a make Patsy. Me call you back here. Alright.
Junior.
Yes, daddy.
Junior.
Yes, daddy.
Yo, come in the kitchen. Call him call his boy, man. This boy I take so much. You still really know I eat from Patsy? Or I just what?
Daddy. Remember say, are you tell me say me not fi eat from Patsy, you know? And things so you tell me from other day, daddy, me I believe it. You tell me so, daddy.
Me tell you this, man. Things and times change. So with me and Patsy now, we turn back friend. We turn back real good friend. The 2 days ago, you really nice, no, so me and Patsy a laugh. And me and Patsy, you know, we are reason. So everything we talk about what she said, she ain't go poison me and something. You know, I will forget about that. You know what I mean? Because she went explain to me, say she was just upset and angry and things said she ain't go, you know, as me say, you know, now go see me no more or something there. But by the way, who are you in a room I talk about?
But daddy, me say, Patsy tying X-Man, so me no want eating food and
No, you know what about the X-Man. X-Man alright. You know what I mean? You know what? Hey, me tell you something. Your man are your boy. Your boy, you know?
I am a boy.
Yes, you're a boy. And if you go to school, high school, you have to understand, say, you just act like a boy, act like a child. Because me know you feel like you're a man, you know. Because you wear your shirt so and teach. Me know teacher run out of class today. You think me hear about it? She call me and tell me, say, feel like a big belly boy. Him having clothes pull out and I walk in a class like say I saw him for dress. But me I tell you, me allow you to turn workless. Me allow you. If you want to turn workless, me can make you turn workless. Me not gonna force you no more. Cause me feel every time more me talk to you, the more you feel like you have to do the wrong things. It's like you compete with it. As me said before, who and you was talking in the room?
So daddy, where you gonna look about dinner?
Who and you was talking in the room?
My mother, me that talk.
Your mother. What she say?
She just call me.
Matter of fact, what you tell her say?
Me not tell her, me just tell her, so me go down, me just come from school.
So who call who?
She call me and check up on me.
She call you when your phone ring? And if your phone rings a lot?
No, I want video me to watch on TikTok first.
Alright, here we are going. Tin mackerel and sitting there with you then. Tin mackerel and
Every
rice.
day, daddy, tin mackerel.
Yeah, so you see me go down a supermarket and I sit down on sale. I dey eat a tin mackerel with bread. Tin mackerel with crackers. And tin mackerel with rice. Pick your choice.
Daddy, every time you give me tin mackerel.
Mr. Pick your choice. You don't want a Jackie because Jackie go pies because you're fast. You feel like you're a man. So you need a man food then. You can't put one can bread. Yeah, that's right about it. Drinks in the fridge.
I don't look about it.
Tell me something. When I choke my drinks earlier today, you want to drink what's my drinks?
No, I ain't trouble.
Come here, I said to myself, say, me sure more right drinks and me don't know if something wrong with my mind. Because I always put my drinks right at the side.
I cup a leak, daddy.
Cup na leak. Them a cup na leak. If you think cup a leak, what you talking about?
Sometimes they have some.
Hey! Don't bother with that. But sometimes what? You always think some crazy stuff.
Daddy.
But I'm going to take a close on top of that. Eh?
Not change.
That's what you do on top of that. I mean. Yo, hey! Come on, come on. Put it back. No eat in my room. So I say ants. I follow me go way around so. Me and ants are a friend. You understand me I say? Me and ants and roach and rat have no agreement. We not live nowhere. Me not live nowhere rat and roach there. You hear me I say boy me I talk to you now?
Yes, daddy.
Tell me what me have to just pause and wonder say what me I raise if me raise one. I don't know. Here me I go up Pat, me soon forward. Yeah?
Alright, daddy, now make you tell like I go.
Eh? Where you say what I go boy?
No, me I say no, give me no nice food, me good.
You good?
Yeah.
So boy I try to tell me that.
Move! You know like that goalie?
I feel like I'm in a seat.
You know
I find me.
Man. Every boy had them under 2-0. Oh man. Can I hold on to take?
Yeah.
And daddy will cost me. Don't worry about that still. Me a bad man. Daddy can't say nothing to me.
That is it. How long your father save a Patsy?
Him? You need to go for Patsy and come back for now. Come like Patsy time like a goat. You know, come back for now.
So, you are doing yet?
What do you talk about? Do
See?
what that mean? You saw something?
You never do man to woman something yet.
Oh, I never do them something yet, girl. I never do that.
See, I'm show you. Oh God, poor you. Poor you. That is boy.
Never do them something yet. How you do it?
So alright, let me touch you. How you feel? You feel?
Feel nervous. But you know, say, when me day at school though, it's like, me can't concentrate. All of my meds just step on you. Me don't know why.
Yeah, cause you know say when me dey at school, me see her look for me, you know. I make her feel say me reach her so fast. Dash off my clothes. Me not even beard, me not gonna tell her no lie, me not beard. Me
So your
just
mother
dash
did?
off my clothes. Mommy, she love what about, you know. She could there one money I don't know. Or something. But anyways, what you up to?
Now play a game, enjoy yourself. How you up to?
Idiot.
Come on, teach us.
Dumb skull. What you think man and woman up to in a relationship?
Play a game and have fun.
Play a game.
Yeah.
No matter licking
I'm a
head for
teacher.
idiot. Look at me on. About game. And a game me I talk about. What you think your father over Patsy had to do right now?
Not eat food.
Eat food. I eat food for you.
Yeah, that ain't there every day and go over there.
I might eat food. That must not have sense. What? Let's get down to business. No. What you say?
What do you mean?
I see it bit tough, boy. Make we go do woman and man stuff in the room.
Come on, come know why you feel like me eat. And don't call me eat that again. Here, me not like it. Cause my father called me so one time I'm going go ball. Don't call me eat that again.
So you want me call her baby?
Of course.
Okay, baby. You like it though? I say father Jeep dirty man. Say one more.
Of course.
Later, man.
Don't go out to eat me.
No, later. Your father will soon come.
I know, me know what you for my father. I do over Patsy and I know me realize, you know. That's why you love over
You
it.
tell us them I do. Listen. tomorrow or later. Oh, you so jumpy?
You wrong to give me.
Me wrong for you? Eh? Make a boy go on your bed.
I'll hurry up before
Good,
daddy
good, yeah, she got it good, good. Whoa. How can I cause this now? Eh?
Sorry about that, daddy.
Sorry about what?
Uh,
Why you take off your clothes, Junior?
I threw me the job asleep, daddy, and I don't know, I'm just tired, so I may just get up and come back downstairs, daddy, and catch a cold breeze. Sorry about that.
Sorry about what?
No, sorry for not taking off my
Yo,
clothes.
believe me, sometimes you have to. How many son it?
Answer, bite me up, man.
Eh? Answer bite you.
Answer, daddy. You know so much answer. Move on.
Answer bite you. Sure, sir. Somebody want to damn post and craft the vehicle in the problem here. So what you do? Go and go change your clothes then. Go and go change your clothes. You do what?
I'll go up by there, I'm just going to go cold.
Oh, you feel so well? Alright.
I'll come up there.
But you actually, you know.
Tell her I'm good.
You're good.
Okay.
You need to go bathe, yeah?
Yes, no, I do that when I'm done.
Yes, mommy.
Come here, come here, come here. Over there.
Yes, mommy.
Something wrong with you?
No, nothing wrong with me.
Your birthday and all?
Yes, mommy.
Okay. So, I'm not tell you to take off your wig and take off your nails them. Eh? Where you go to school today na them for?
Yeah, mom, but mommy, you have to understand, say, and 9,000 you pay for the year, right? And 5,000 for your fingernail them, and 2,500 for your toe because of gel polish.
Yeah, my money, I understand.
Mom-
I have school come first.
Yeah, mommy, no want to waste the money. Mommy, they're expensive, you know,
I don't
mommy.
care what say my money. I mean work hard. I mean spend my money for you. Yes, me understand it's expensive, but school important. So me tell you this. You don't wear free weekend, it's a Monday morning. No, that's a Sunday morning. You go take off a wig, you go take off them here. You understand what I say?
Yes, mommy.
You understand what I say?
Yes, mommy.
Because I'm a teacher, have to call me and I tell me about you, Pinky. Me not in it with you this year, no. This year, me not in it with you. I better you, me want to you, know. You think when you come grow up and become like me? When you come become a doctor, one teacher, one lawyer, you understand?
Yes, mommy.
Me not in it with you. Guess what? When in my room, you disgust me, girl.
Uncle Jim, what going? Yeah, man, everything good as usual, man. You know everything good, man. Just there go and do the do well, you know? Yes. Really, yeah, man, Junior good, man. Junior good. Eh? What you mean? Me not understand that, you know. Me and Junior have problems. Me not take up my problems for Junior. What you mean, say, don't take up my problem? Uncle Jim, the thing about you is that you always are trying to forget my personal business. Me calling you now is like maybe a very big mistake. No, June are good. Me and June have a good relationship. So why you make it sound like me and my son have a good relationship? We talk and him tell me certain things. Wait, no, me can't understand this. Because you talk about say, I see him say father when neglect we and strict and rated. No, I'm not my father. Yeah, just know that. And me and June have a good relationship. As a matter of fact, I want to borrow the money from you too. Junior! Junior?
Daddy.
How you doing? Asleep?
Oh, I'm not. That's up on my phone.
You know, I feel like I have to talk to you like have a real conversation. You understand what I said to you?
Yes, Daddy.
And the conversation I have is that I know I'm not really reason with you and talk to you and have patience based on everything what go on in your life because I don't know much of what go on with you right now because I'm so busy. I try put things together, reach, make ends reach and something. So me don't want to feel like I neglect you in any way. You're my son and I love you. I'm my first son, I'm my only son. You understand? And you make me into a father. If I never you, but I'm still a skill the girl didn't chuck a go down the road. You understand me I say?
Yes, Daddy.
Even though at first they may say a jacket, but everything changed. Come and do my DNA test and everything work out. Cause you look more like my granny. You understand? But yeah, anyway, you feel like my heart for you, Junior?
Daddy, I'm not telling a lie still in about. You spend less time with me still.
But you understand why I spend less time with you?
Yeah, I understand say they have a Patsy.
No, me and Patsy have a different thing going on. Where Patsy kind of, she know if it calm me down sometimes when I stress out and so forth. You understand? You see, I can't get worked up and so forth. So,
But most of the time I come in here, me alone have to struggle through my homework,
well, that's true still, but that's
when
why.
you come in from a Patsy at 11 o'clock in the night, 12 o'clock,
Why Patsy now a conversation for you? What you say? I know if you talk to Patsy? I see you have a Patsy?
No, I never say that, Daddy.
Boy, move in it. So. What is it?
A mosquito bite me, Daddy.
That's a very big mosquito.
A mosquito them in the room, Daddy.
Junior. Yeah, man, no, Junior. No mosquito can big and bite us, Junior.
No, yeah, man, me and the boy.
A girlfriend, yeah?
No, Daddy, me not no girlfriend.
Junior can talk to me now.
No, Daddy, me not no girlfriend.
You have a girlfriend?
No girlfriend, Daddy.
Boy, oh boy, Junior to this, boy. It is so sad that you feel like you're telling a lie, Junior.
No, me not telling no lie.
You not telling a lie?
No
Don't look at my eye. Better look so and tell me say you're not telling a lie.
Me not no girlfriend.
Yeah, better look that way. Alright. So, understand, say, with what I go on with we, me I try to be a better father. Me I try, be more consistent. But sometimes you have to understand, say.
So, Daddy, how me say I help Patsy daughter with homework?
I like them at you. Like, alright, here we go do. We're going to start from now. See? We're going to hold a drink together. So we're going to build a banner right now. So we actually have one different focus. So you understand, say, me is not just a father, me a brother, me a friend and everything. You understand? So I'm going to make me a drink 2 beer,
So, like how today I sat them, I can play some game.
Just for 20 minutes. Hold on, but before that, I make me a drink 2 beer. See? Hold on. Don't move.
A shop you buy beer, daddy.
Eh?
A shop you buy.
Yeah, man. No more shop me buy. I make
pot sick here.
You hold this.
I think it's a way good.
Eh?
Junior! Junior!
Okay, next alone.
15 minutes to pass them in class. So what happened? Yeah, boy.
So if you never call you, would you call me?
Right now, if you tell the truth, I'm afraid over you, know. I'm afraid over you bad. Remember what happened last time?
Remember?
You know, like I remember.
Assess me.
Oh, me I fear running and hide and I dip and I go down so I come back up so. You forgot? I your father look a dirty car. I rub up all my nice clean skin pan the dirty car. All the fence. Where? Go fence to my finger. So, and a matter of calling you know. I just too many to get catch. I'm afraid of where right now.
You don't have to worry about that. You know, so I have killed you out already. Don't worry about daddy. I tell you anytime daddy left you, you know, come back.
You skill. You look like say if you run a job.
So we're up to you idea. And by yourself when you come back in next time, you know, see you come back now.
So is it? You love it. I don't like it again. I love it.
And I love it. I'm in love with it. So I'll go around for you now.
Glad to be here.
Where they go over so I am gonna see here plug so.
But just to last year breeze do it.
May I breathe?
Yeah.
Big breathe.
So you know what this mean now?
What I mean?
We there.
Yeah, I know that.
No, I don't feel like in there it's a we there. We there. No, me I talk about. Since as everything will start going with there. And guess what? One day I have to marry me. I'm gonna ask.
Don't worry yourself, baby, because me just like me genuinely love
So,
it.
nobody feel like say, I know play thing I go on so. No pamper thing. You understand? A real life thing we are doing right now. You understand?
As I tell you, don't worry yourself because I really love it.
Make
I don't want
sure.
you to fussy up yourself.
Make sure.
I am a number one and you think no girl at school can't take me from you. It's just me and you.
I must see man, I must somebody cover them face.
That never go happen because them not get me.
Anyways.
You know, I'm teach you to play a game. If you learn. Same like you want me to do certain thing, I'm going to do it. You have to play a game to make you happy.
Alright, come
You
on.
ever play FIFA yet? Or you want to play a Grand Theft?
FIFA.
I never go school for you can't play ball.
So my teacher teach me.
Yeah, me teach you play to go school for you can alright, so much. Yeah, so now, you press and turn on the controller.
So L1 and R2 and L1 L
So
R1 and R1 call.
you kick the ball. And this is how you turn with. We have to select your side, so look and see which side you want to play with.
But you see that?
What side do you select?
Yeah.
Yeah, I see Barcelona.
Randy. Send you over to you boy over there. So weird now. You're not weird.
Wait. Kick your ball no. Can you make him man take your ball from you?
So why you going so aggressive?
Sorry.
No teacher.
I thought that's how I play football.
Phone a ring. Mommy? Mommy?
Where you there?
Mommy,
Oh.
me go a shop go get one bag juice and one bula.
No, me spit on it trying to reach back in our yard. You hear?
Alright, mommy, may I come now?
No.
Alright, just call me here. Well, I'm not following you. I don't have to book up for me.
Look, girl. Hello.
Mommy?
Come on here, son. Mean to God you come. Are you gone in your room? I'm call you. You not even know what me call you for. You not take off your hair and take off your nails then.
Mommy, you know say after weekend, mommy.
But you still can't go and do it. How long you take? They may take time, you know. They may take time.
Oh, mommy, here take time too.
Where you did there a while ago?
Mommy, me go buy one bag juice and the bowl and me eat it on the way. And when me a come, me know if I breathe so heavy, bowl will if you just drop out of my hand.
Probably, I don't know. And I feel breeze, probably just drop out of your hand. But listen to me. I hope you not do not all time way, you know. I hope you not do not way enough you do. Because as I tell you, I want you to be a better person for tomorrow. You understand?
Yes, mommy.
I want you to come out to be a doctor. You hear me a ringing in your ears every time I talk to you?
Yes, mommy.
You hear? What happened to you? What you yes, mommy, what happened?
No, mommy.
Make sure so nothing not there. You bed from morning?
No, mommy.
Pinky, much time I tell us before you go on the road for bed. Your girl pick me.
Mommy, what are they called?
Oh, Jesus. Your girl pick me. Every time you go on the road, bed. If I ever for wash off. You understand? Go and go bed. Dinner soon ready.
Yes, mommy.
Your girl pick me. Where just go?
No, mommy.
Hello?
Yeah, mommy, I call you again.
Now what happened to you now?
Boy, daddy cuss me not too long.
What?
Because he tell me about him icky on my neck, but a icky on my neck for sure, me I tell him say a mosquito bite me.
So why you have a problem with that?
I don't know why I have a
You're
problem.
a big boy.
Me tell him say I eat still, but me don't know why I have a problem.
So you might do cuss you?
Yeah, in that behave certain way. And then me I tell him say me and him now live good and him I say I go try make we have a father and son band, but he ain't gone on the road, but me just know say over Patsy gone.
Oh, so every time you eat something happening in the world, you don't want a fatherly band.
No. I just feel like
And you have to talk it.
I just feel like something wrong with that. Me don't know. Cause me hear people say Patsy did tie in X-Man. So me wonder if Patsy do something to him.
Okay, then impossible. Impossible.
But me say
I say I don't want me to trouble him.
Daddy good, yeah, man, but me miss you though.
I miss you too. When you calling me?
When the holiday?
Okay. Alright. No pay my mind.
Alright, man.
Yes, alright.
Yeah.
Girl, you not go to school? Eh? Wake up, man, wake up. This is you not wake up good. Come, get up.
Mommy.
No, sir. Mighty God.
Mommy.
Pinky. Pinky, yesterday I did what? Yesterday I did what, Pinky?
Thursday.
Yeah, idiot. Yeah, idiot. Yesterday I did what? Yesterday I Sunday. Me not tell us to take off a week yesterday and take off them here.
I feel good, mommy.
How do you? What happened to you?
No, me just get up and I feel good.
So you don't feel good, that means you don't want to go to school today? That's what you're trying to tell me? By the way, it's stuff them in the bathroom. None of them not use it, you know. I want to go on. What go on? You're sexual active?
No, mommy.
You're sexual active?
No,
You're not
mommy.
so not period, you know. What go on? It look like me have to go carry a doctor because something I go on down there so when me don't know about. Other day me not ask you if you do things.
No, I'm not going, mommy.
So why you lie down yourself and say you feel sick right now? Because you don't have fever. You don't have fever. See that you don't have fever. So what go on with you?
Me don't know.
Get up. Get up. Get up. Go and go get ready. Me I carry a doctor. Me I go find out what happened to you today. Something I go on. I shall find out today. And take parents for idiots. Hello. Good morning. No, me not in a drama thing right now, Patsy. Me don't know this morning. Me have to come wake up Pinky cause she said she not feel good. And the stuff them in the bathroom not use, like, you know me I talk woman stuff. What? Over a yard? We Pinky do over a yard? I have to joke can make. So me I forgot to go talk to Ryan now because something not going with my daughter. Yeah man. That good. Guess I'm gonna call her back. Aye, later.
Hello? Who is it? Hello?
I can come in?
Kinda late still, but alright, come in. Are you alone come?
Yeah, want me to come? Look like me come with somebody?
Oh, wow. Yes, good evening.
Where's Sunday?
My son's supposed to know my mom.
Long story short, I called my friend this morning. She named Patsy. She tell me say she always see my daughter over your yard when time you know they here.
You mean that?
So, listen, no.
Miss, you come here ungodly hours, and then you come talk to me in such a way like we have an argument. What's the matter with you? Eh? What
so
kind of
listen what
information
me
you
have
get?
to say. Listen what me have to say. When you go say,
No,
say
but
something.
take your time and talk and deliver the message.
That's what I'm doing.
No, you're delivering it in an angry tone, as if I am some sort of, a mat or a carpet you can put your foot on.
You going to listen to me? My friend tell me some that I always come over here to your son when you not here.
Eh?
So I like to know what kind of business your son and my daughter in her, come my daughter pregnant right now.
Alright, listen to me. What do you mean your daughter pregnant? Pregnant how?
Your son get my daughter pregnant.
No. Listen to me, man. It's like why people stay so? So your daughter will go to school Friday. Last week Friday is pregnant? Is that what you're trying to tell me? Hello, may I ask you a question, miss?
Yes, and that me I tell you.
By my son?
Yes, by your son.
For your daughter tell you say my son breed for your pitney?
Yes.
I don't
because
believe
she say him my old boy she a grow on.
You talk to your daughter?
Yes, I talk to my daughter.
Let me tell you something, man. At the end of the day, I not tell you say things can go on, but my son not involved in certain things right now. You understand? And I think you need to get your facts straight and come back here and let's have a proper discussion.
One question. Why you feel like your son innocent in all of this?
I did not say that. I never said it. What I'm trying to say is that I don't believe what you're saying is true.
You know what? The next time you come over here, me and my daughter. So make sure you have your son. Because them are going to tell me what really good on. You understand? Because me come to you as a parent and I tell you something, you tell me say you don't believe. Hello, you can't swear for pick me nowadays. Them you pick me nowadays, oh them bad. You can't swear for none of them. You hear me say? So you cock up there swear for your son, feel like say your son innocent.
I never say I'm swearing to my son, miss.
I
am saying to you, I don't think what you're saying is true, because I have never seen my son around your daughter. Them go I see him school, them and I see him class, but that's about it. You understand me? For me, Junior now do certain things like that right now for jeopardizing in my life.
Why you don't call your son and
No, me call my son and talk to my son by yourself. I don't need your presence here. Yeah, what? Alright, it was nice. Thank you for the information. Get your facts straight. When you want to come over with the daughter?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow, alright.
Tomorrow me come over with my daughter. Make sure say your son ready to tell me what really good on a year.
Alright.
Or else it now go pretty. Cause now go like what me I go do, you know.
What mean pretty?
Alright.
You make it sound like say
me done chat,
something bad in
me done chat.
Yeah man, done chat. Junior! Junior!
Nah, bathroom.
Hurry up and come, I have something to talk to you. Come meet me in the hall. Junior.
Yes, daddy.
Look how long me call you, man.
Yes, daddy.
I don't have time for that now. Look, man, I drop down this no tight chair. Alright. You have something to tell me?
Man, nothing to tell you.
You have nothing to tell me?
Oh, yeah. I get 10 out of 10 in a language.
You get 10 out of 10 in language?
Yeah.
Okay. Apart from school, see? You have no information where you think your father's supposed to know about?
No, daddy. No information. Oh, yeah, me have information, daddy, but me know why you do me nothing.
Where you go? No, good evening. My father ain't Junior. Stop going like me. I want.
You sure, daddy?
Yeah.
You do an exam at school, but I get 0.
You get 0, Junior? Jesus Christ. But besides that again, even though what am I tell you? You sure you don't have anything else where your father's supposed to know?
I did play a game 30 minutes and you said 20.
Alright, let me break the chase down. You know one girl named Pinky?
Pinky?
Yeah, like
Which Pinky?
Wanna have more than friends?
Which Pinky? Like Pinky and the Pink?
No, not Pinky and the Pinks. Pinky and a thump you will reach your face if you don't tell me the truth right now. Because you have to take this thing for joke. Because you feel say life is a joke and a game. You understand? How friendly are you with Pinky?
Pinky when in my class.
When in your class, yeah.
No, Pinky is just my classmate.
It's a classmate, right?
My classmate.
Alright, so basically, you ever bring her over this house before?
Never.
Never bring her over this house before. Okay. So her mother tell lie.
Her mother tell lie.
Right,
so Pinky said she come over this house.
Let me call ask him for your number, American number. Hold on. You don't move from this.
Pinky said she come over this house.
No, Pinky. I never speak to Pinky. Right? I speak to Pinky mother. Right? And Pinky mother tell me say, you bring she. Eh? Your mother tell it. Hold on. Don't answer the call right now. Yeah, Patsy. You know the woman when you America number? Yeah, send it to me, please. Alright. Alright, see it. Yes, hello. Don't bother ask me how me get the number. Just understand, say me ask you a question. Say, my son now talk to me, tell me, say, for your daughter and him never have none of what you talk about, so I don't understand how it go. But what you need to do now is, if you can bring a daughter over here now, we'll have a nice good conversation. Because I need to get to the level here I want to go on. Because my son obviously not tell me the truth. Yeah, so when you, yeah man, cool. Alright. Yeah, alright. What? What is it about? You take this thing with you, ain't you? Be like running for a morning. Yeah, make you go and run. Talk the truth. Alright, you are going. Me feel like you feel like if you tell me lie, regardless of anything. How it go? You gonna tell me the truth and make me know what I'm gonna before they reach her? Or you gonna make me have to go for the belt and make you tell me the truth before they reach over yourself? So pick a choice. 5. 4. Eh?
We're afraid.
3. Pinky ever come over your house, yeah?
No.
2. Pinky ever come over the house, yeah? Alright. Yo, say ready to tell me the truth?
She come over here two times,
Daddy. 2 times she come over here?
I will play a game and something, Daddy.
So she come over here for 2 then?
Yeah.
She come over here so for 2 then?
Come over here 2 times, Daddy.
So that means say you breathing little pitney then?
The day when you gone over Patsy, Daddy.
You didn't go over Patsy?
Yeah, and you give me mackerel and something.
So this is how me have to use to get the truth out of you, brother?
No, Daddy, but show me and let me tell you the truth if you did not fix me.
The truth will set you free. Make the truth come out and then everything after it's like a set and go fix. You feel so me can beat you for the fact say you have a girl over here? Eh? I'm proud say you have a girl over here, boy. Don't get too hype, yeah? Don't get too hype on that one.
Sorry, Daddy.
You laugh and I feel like say, no, don't get too hype. But I'm proud if you know that. You know much man would I want to know say boy, you know, them boy I live off of them dreams and them something there. More grand pitney and something there, but guess what now? But you have to understand say Junior means yo, only thing I want is for the best for you. So tell me something, Junior. When you and she do when you use protection. By the way, you know what name protection?
Like my name, sir.
Jesus Christ, I can breathe every show. Alright, go on your bed. Go on your room and relax a bit.
My name protection.
I may tell you one next time. No right now. Cause your house gone through the gate.
No, I'm not coming to meeting later. I have a lot of stuff dealing with. Yes. Okay. No problem, I will. Yeah, pray for me. Thanks. Pinky,
Mommy.
come here. Tana pasa. Na black you look busy coming from. You know say me good on your classmate yeah. Your classmate, me good on your father. When I go to him, I go to your father. I mean I tell the father, boy you and the guy. Pinky, you ever go down your yard before?
No, mommy, I just school me know him, I'm a classmate.
Pinky, you in any activity with him? You know what I mean?
No, mommy. Me not active. No,
You
mommy.
sure?
Yeah, mommy, me sure. Me not active. Me not do nothing like that. Just like what the Mary and Pastor in a room. Yes, Lord. Daddy Jesus.
Alright, don't know. Yeah, what? Yeah, how much? That's none of your business. We are pray. You understand? Yes, Daddy. Pick me up nowadays. Like how you miss your menstrual, right? Yeah, you miss it? Like how
Yeah,
you miss
me
your
I hear, mommy.
menstrual. You know, say you're pregnant.
Pregnant? No, mommy. How me fi pregnant? I mean, I do not, mommy. How me fi pregnant?
Pinky, you not eat half the food and me give you it. Every minute you are sleep. You're moody and you dey vomit.
Mommy have bad feelings. Something me eat when I agree with my stomach.
Ebola will blow to you another day. And that? Me can't believe so you are telling me lie right now. Seriously? Come down to my level because you come like through your tall like your people your feel say you're a woman. Pinky, stop lying to me.
Mommy, me no know what you talk about, mommy.
Pinky, me no want hurt you and me no want go out of hand. Tell me the truth. Because if that reach far, you can't turn back, So tell me from now, let me know what to do.
Mommy, let me tell you the truth. Me and Junior is just friends. Nothing happened.
Nothing happened. Why? I don't know what to believe. I don't understand. You know use none of the stuff them in the bathroom a whole month. A new month we in there now.
Mommy, but me learn at school said you can have hormones problem. So
why you know your hormone problem them a kick in? Why never kick in from how much month about when you start? Why you know?
Mommy, you don't know why you try ping pong me, no, mommy. But everything what you say, not go so, mommy. Me and Junior is just friends. I mean, I don't not like when me see a pastor do a yard. Oh, Jesus.
Stop it nice. If me carry over yard right now, I ask Junior if you ever come over there, when go tell me say?
I'm going to tell you the truth, mommy, no.
You sure?
Yes, mommy.
Because Junior tell me say you come over there, can me talk to him.
No, mommy, Junior can't tell her that.
Junior can't tell me that. Me talk to Junior. Junior tell me say you come over there 4 times.
No, mommy. Junior can't tell her that 2 times.
Confession good face so you just go yourself.
Mommy, what you talk about?
You say you go over there 2 times.
No, mommy never tell her that, mommy.
What you say then?
Me never tell her
what
that.
What you say?
Me say him a say some time.
No.
When we at school, but me never say no 2 times.
Well, anytime you say you come over there, come do homework.
No, mommy, I say I like
So you not do no homework over there?
At school, me do homework most of the time.
So about SBA, you say yeah, I'm do that do max SBA. Anything I say no pinky, but guess what? Junior father didn't call me, so I go over there. This have to care about, but I'm not gonna care because you lie like your papa. I never see somebody will come. Hey, you favor your papa, you talk like your papa, and you lie like him. But know yourself, me go over there, go talk to Junior and get you out of Junior myself. Because if me then see when you come out of me, mother say you have me jacket.
Oh, mommy, you know something? I feel like I need one strong man in your life because the pastor, I slept too much.
Get up, come out.
You have to take back daddy.
Go on.
Yo, bad boy.
Oh,
You don't know some breed youth.
I just saw it.
My breed something. You think gonna can chat to me now?
You know what that mean now?
What you mean? Some a galleys?
No. Means no more party. That was see a yard, sit down with picnic. Just pick me a ball, man. You have to go buy pampers the tears.
No. Really, dog? So, no. A daddy, I go have control of all of them sitting there.
How control our? Nobody know how to pick the problem.
No, but look, you know, say a Pinky when I go to school with do a she me breed.
I worst mistake in it.
But daddy, I let talk about protection. What protection do? Cause me ask him say if I protect her from feel a lot of pain. Right? How you mean?
Protection means save your life. You know, have to, the thing for now, go on a party, you know, have to babysit. No, see there. You're more than a baby father. You're a babysitter, you know.
So na Pinky, I go do them the work there too.
Oh, you done that. Wow, what? You will see. You want to sleep at night, alright?
You know you would.
Wrong move, man. Wrong move.
Yo, so all of them a thing when me da hide and father party more, let me sit there for go top.
No more party.
Yo, I see already, man. Cause, yo, y'all cut my meds, yeah, man. Yo. So it can't undo, it can't rub out.
Where your mark can't rub out again.
Yo, look come on here. I can go.
Evelyn.
Yeah, good evening. Where your daughter there? You see your daughter?
She not face 100. So I just make she stay. Where you say I go on?
Alright, so me tell you what I go on now. See? Me talk to my son. My son, him a talk say him know say she went court 2 days. I don't remember what day he said. But him a say nothing like that happened, man. You understand?
What do you mean? He must say he not think nothing like that happen.
Meaning, you say him get your daughter pregnant and something there. I think you need to check out what go on first because if your daughter so easy to come over for my son yard, can you imagine how much other son yard for your daughter go? Eh? And then look on her, you know, how she's so free to come over 2 times in a row. Eh? I don't think you understand what you're doing and what you're trying to do right now. Because a person like you and your daughter, you have to check up on your daughter first. Because at the end of the day, you know, who to tell? You want pitney upon my pitney. Eh?
Listen to me. My daughter say your son and all man he ever go to. So I don't understand what really are going on, son. It seems like we as parents can't deal with him. We really need to put them together to find out what really are going on. Listen, I not say your son get her pregnant or whatsoever, I can somebody else, yes, for true, but your son alone, she said she got to.
Alright.
And I can't,
Alright.
what me gonna
You know what? Let's flip the script. If push come to shove and something really goes so, starting at this point, you know, going to fit well with the relationship for the future. Because it's not like, say, I don't know how far go. If you go far, and all them something there, but me don't want to reach one place where, you know, stone start flinging and all them something there, you start feel like if you come here and come pressure your son for certain things because him now work. And if him now work, that means that me have to go take care of whatever the case may be. So me I said to you, say, get your facts straight first, miss, and then you can come back to my place, right? You talk to him, you talk to your daughter, make it reach to one point, or you just do it for you know? If you want
what this mean?
I mean, do what you want. You see, that me talk about. Alright, so mom, make it process start then. Alright? And have a wonderful day.
Sure you're ready for this?
Ready for what?
Make sure you're ready for
Ready for what?
Come ahead of here, you know. Because I'm not ramp, you know. That's when you come on to my one and only girl pitney, me not laugh. Because me never graduate from school, you know. Me get pregnant out of school, you know. And it look like I same thing I go reach. And matter of fact, I same thing reach with that, you know. How me as a mother feel.
What do you mean as a mother feel? I don't understand. So is it my fault? Or is it your fault? Are you not pay attention to your daughter? You know?
Hello, me.
Are you not
so you want pay attention to your son?
But my son in yard.
And your son bring woman in our house?
No. I don't think that's the case. I think your daughter just maybe a little bit too jiggy and she want to, you know, like to feel what I feel. Maybe she sees something going in our house and all them something there. So I don't know. So what I'm saying is that just find out where you find out first and then you come at me. Alright, ma'am? I don't even remember your name. Yes.
You don't need to remember my name. I think we need to talk to your son.
Talk to my son?
Yes.
You're past the place now?
No, I'm not past the place. I am an adult. I am a parent. So what if me want to talk to your son? Is there a problem?
Yes.
If you say you want to talk to my daughter, me go bring my daughter come make a talk.
But
my daughter sick right now, so I can't bring my
daughter. Sick? How you sick? Let me tell you this. You talk to me on the phone and say you can bring your daughter and no, your daughter reach her. So what you say? You're too incompetent, man. Just have a wonderful evening, ma'am. Sort out what you sort out and then we take it from wherever else.
So what you trying to tell me? So you're not going to make me talk to your son?
Not today and maybe never. Yeah, that me I say. Because I don't know what's the situation.
You know, so you want to look a dirty father? You think you want a good father? You don't want a good father because you not take up this the right way. Probably your son need a stepmother in her life. Make all of this a reach you. And that me I tell you. I
think you're overstepping the place now. And if you don't leave the premises, it's gonna go further, ma'am. I don't want you to I'm never call the cops or the security. Because you come to the place and say, get and all them something you feel like money over here. Eh? I'm money here, look.
Let me tell you something, I don't want the money from you, Rasta head boy.
Rasta head boy,
that me I tell you.
Alright.
I just want to know, say, your son take up in responsibility for your daughter.
Take up which responsibility? Take up which responsibility? Eh? What you talking about?
Hey, you see if you're not a bigger man for me, I take my slippers and fling in your face.
You see, that's the kind of mentality when you come from the ghetto. You see? Go back to the ghetto. The ghetto mentality, you're all piece of reprobate.
I don't know who you're talking about, I can't mean. Bright.
Junior! Junior, where there? Junior! Boy!
Now forward, daddy.
Turn a person. This is a thing that's normal now, you know. You know who me attack downstairs a while ago?
Oh.
Eh?
Oh.
Pinky mama. Come here so I come go on the most way.
Again?
Yes, again, because I'm interested in foul if you can talk and stung and talk. When I realize it can't work. First things first, she come here and I tell her to carry her daughter not come here. You know what she talk about? All kind of thing about mind people and mind this and mind pitney. You work? Me ask you a question, you work?
No.
You not work, right? So who you think are responsible for this thing? You think baby and or something? Alright, consider yourself a baby now. And remember, how much you name?
I'm a baby.
You're not baby exactly, but how much you name at daytime? Eh? Just imagine that. So this is not going to be one normal task. So I have to take care of you plus take care of Pitney. So I got to tell me a grandfather now. Jesus Christ, man. Yo, you know, so this is a thing I really blow out of proportion right now. So you sure say, I and she were involved. Talk the truth. Look for me and talk to you. You and she were involved?
Yes, Daddy.
Jesus Christ, Junior. I don't know how this is going to work out, you know. Ira.
So I can borrow mask, Dafta and Waka.
And what?
Waka or...
So this you put your headspace. Junior, me's a hustler. And the reason I'm a hustler because I waste time in a school. You want to come over with the same thing, Junior? Eh? A hustler? That makes sense, you know? For some people you work but on everybody that go work out for. The streets are not made for everybody, that's why you have sidewalk. I don't even know that. Some people up on the side. You understand me I say? And if you don't reason it out the way you want life will be for you, you have to understand say, and waste time and work to take a turn. The thing is a setback. I not say having a child is a setback. Don't get me wrong. But at the time, there's a time and place for everything. You understand me, Mr. Junior?
I understand.
Why am I tell them I don't know how this is going to work out now? So you feel that she have other boyfriend or what? Think in your head and tell me. You feel say she won't have nobody at school or you just take care of her or nothing like that. Like you see her talk to nobody extra. Down the normal.
Me alone, me know.
You alone, you know what? Or you alone you pay attention to?
Me alone, I pay attention to.
You know everything me say you say something like in a blinking sense. I want you, man. Talk what go on, man. It's a time to be truthful. She won't have no other people what she had talked to before you come on know if there's a possibility say somebody else when you got it before you. Eh?
Never say that.
Alright, Jonah. We're gonna press the clothes and get yourself ready for school for tomorrow. So you're not late.
So, you know about Waka?
Waka. See Waka, I give Waka here. Serious this situation is. I mean, like, try to stand for you. You know me, I will. You know me, I will.
So Daddy, you could have given me an extra children to her. I mean, like, man just ever make party and you amount of money and I give me pay excuse and if you give me money.
Yeah, you know. I want to go on now. How me I hear say you breed me girl? Eh? How me I hear say you breed me girl?
Where you do I make it? Where you do I make it?
What you mean how me I do again? How me I hear say you breed me girl?
So where you come to do? You think me afraid of you? Where you come to
What you
do?
mean by you're not afraid of me?
Hey, you see if I did your girl through the day so me get for breed her here.
What you
You're a
mean?
fool.
I am boast to my brethren them and I chat about say you thief me girl. Hey boy. I best my boss said it. Hey boy, I better not come back to school, you know. Me and my friend, we shell out here in the youth. Alright.
Pinky.
Hmm?
Wake up, school. Time for school. The blood of Jesus against you. Pinky,
Mm-hmm.
you pregnant for sure?
To subscribe is free. You subscribe yet?